bearish trades. Now here we're going to talk about the next 3 following stocks for this week for our parabolic change in our portfolios. So let's go and recap last week. So we saw Jumia Technologies. We saw it around $19 when I reviewed it. And I'm kidding. I saw it around $24 when I reviewed it, and we saw it hit on almost the 27th Friday at peak at $40.90. That is almost a 90% change. So anyways, next one, we saw FSR. We didn't see a lot of price movement from the whole week, from Monday, Tuesday, but we did see a lot of price movement on the 25th, which almost was about a 30% increase on the daily chart, so that's also a great thing. Then we see it on Friday. We saw it move up a little bit on the morning at 10 a.m. Then we lost some of those gains on the rest of the day following a sell-off. Anyways, what can we expect for next week? And for this stock, I think it's going to keep going up, man. I love Fisker. One of the best backs ever. Anyways, next stock, we saw Alibaba. So Alibaba moved up about 8% from when we reviewed it. We saw some loss in those gains following the 25th, but we did get some gains. If we locked it in and sold, then we did lock in some of those gains from our review. Anyways, let's get right into this week. What can we expect for the big indexes? So we saw Nasdaq close at a record high of $12,205. It hit a record high of $12,236 with 23 cents. Now we saw S&P kind of flat for the day. We saw it hit 3,644, which was almost $2 off of its all-time high. So I think we break that all-time high on Monday and then see how the course of this week keeps going. Now, Dow Jones last week hit 30,000 for the first time. That is great news. I think that we keep extending. Also, we closed a bit lower on the daily at 12,910, but we hit a low. We hit a low of 12,838 off resistance and bounced right off of it. So that is a really good sign for us investors and traders. So we also saw crypto have a correction up from its top at 19,510. Saw it hit almost 16,000, low 16,000s, and now we're bouncing back up. Right now highs are 17,806. Anyways, let's get right into the first stock of the week. So our next stock is HCAC. So what can we expect for this stock next week? We have a merger with Canoo for their industrial EV vehicle for delivery, such as like kind of like workhorse in a way. Canoo's delivery vehicle. They have delivering the lowest total cost of ownership with unique platform flexibility. This is a great sign for the company itself. So what can we expect for this stock next week? So here we see huge cup and handle. I think that we saw a lot of price strength coming into our after hours as well. A gap up here, as you can see. Also VWAP crossing the moving averages, also holding above resistance levels here, right here. A lot of volume coming in, a lot of buying pressure. I think that as more people realize this buying pressure, more people will also come flock to it, and I think we reach somewhere about $14 to $15 in this coming week if we keep seeing this buying pressure, and if the market continues to run this bull market as we've been seeing for the past week and a half. Um, this is great for the company. I mean, we might see new highs next week in anticipation of a merger announcement with Canoe. So this is just great. We see a lot of volume. So what can we expect for the stock? I think we go into some call options for $15 for this week, and maybe if you want to go a little bit farther and have more upside, then I think that we do $15 calls for January. So that is it for the stock. Let's get right into the next one, guys. Here, I mean, we saw about 200% on the year for their from lows at $39. So I think that we keep going. I think we just get like 300% a year. This is great stock. Stay at home stock as well. Anything. I mean, I think we just see a continuation in this. I think we see 300 by next year. So that is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a super great week. Let's get rich, guys. Thank you so much for supporting me. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and post your gains in the comments to see what you guys got from my videos. I'll be glad to enjoy them. Also, go like my Twitter, Instagram, and anything in the bottom description for more tutorials, videos, and what to buy for this week and what I'm looking at. Thank you, guys. Have a great week. Let's get rich.